With the boots, it makes it about a $100 outfit. I would get the whole thing, you guys, because you're paying everything out over 5 months. Now, you guys have been waiting for this. Is this you? Do you have bags under your eyes? Do you have dark circles under your eyes? Do you need to brighten the look of the eyes? You want to look bright-eyed and bushy-tailed? After one application, if you can just give me 5 minutes. Do you have 5 minutes? That's how quickly this works. This is Dr. BRANDT's 2-pack No More Baggage Eye Gel. Normally, these gels are $48 a piece, all right? So normally $48. And so what we did is we basically took like, $11 off, and then we give you the second one for free. So it's better than a buy one, get one. It's $7.08 to get home a $96 deal. Now we have Stephane. Do I say Kalu?
Kalu is perfect. Perfect.
Stephane Kalu.
I love it when you say it like this. So it's perfect.
Where are you from, Stephane?
French.
Oh, bonjour.
Bonjour. Bonsoir. Bonsoir. Good evening. It's bonsoir. How are you, Debbie? Thank you.
Fine.
You're fine?
All I know is oui, oui. Yes,
Oui,
yes.
oui. But that's a good start. That's a good start, you know?
So you're the CEO?
I am the CEO and the owner of the Dr. BRANDT skincare line, and it's such an honor to be there. Thank you.
It's such an honor to have you here. Tell me, how is it that this can work in 5 minutes? It seriously is a pick-me-up. You wake up in the morning and you feel like you look dog-tired. 5 minutes, you look like you got 10 hours of sleep.
Exactly. It's a treatment product, and it's really a miracle product. It's a good recipe we wanted to share with you. It's a unique offer. I've been there for the past few days, and it's the last time. So it's the last dance tonight, and I'm so glad to do that with you, Debbie. So the product is going to work against puffiness, dark circles, and eye bag.
Yes.
And no matter your age or your gender, there are so many reasons I can explain why you are suffering about darker under eye bag. It could be lack of sleeps, genetics, aging, eating too spicy, drink too much. So there's no discrimination, it's for everyone. And today we have two models. We have Colin. We can see already on the screen the with and the without. You can see already, we have been applying the product just a couple of minutes ago, and you can see already what is happening. It's pretty unbelievable what you can see the before and after. So what No More Baggage is going to do is going to help you to provide instantly a brighter, rested, open look without needles and a ton of concealer. So like I said, any gender, here we can see Chris. Chris is a man. Men, I got a thicker skin than a woman, and is a different also age and skin tone. And he applied the product a few minutes ago, and we can see he's been tapping, and you're going to see the difference already. It's just the beginning of the transformation. You can see one eyes will apply the products and look the with or the without. It's only a couple of minutes. Of course, over time, it works. It's a cumulative effect. It's incredible.
You can already see it.
But this is what we do. We've been doing that for 25 years. We're a doctor skincare line. We want you to take the doctor home with you.
Yes.
So you got the opportunity today is a free shipping, 2 products. The clinical, you want to say it? If you
Sure, absolutely. Participants had a reduction in the appearance of under eye bags and puffiness. Instant results, 97% after 5 minutes saw a reduction in eye bags. 100% saw a reduction even after 4 hours. And then there are long-term results as well. 100% of the participants saw a reduction in the appearance of under eye bags and puffiness in 2 weeks. And get this, 100% saw the same reduction in bags and it's in 2 weeks. And here's one for dark circles. Instant results, you guys, keyword instant. 100% after 2 minutes saw an improvement in dark circles. 100% saw an improvement in 4 hours with their dark circles. And then here are the long term. 97%, that's pretty dang good after 1 week. And then 93% saw the improvement in those dark circles in 4 weeks. So no matter how you look at it, you walk out the door in 2 minutes, you are looking better. And in 4 hours, you're at your lunch break, right? You get in the morning, you have your coffee, everybody's saying hello at work. And still by the time you get to lunch, it's still working. And then 2 weeks, I mean, this is amazing.
This is great, but the way you need to apply, you need to understand, is not an eye moisturizer. So you apply your moisturizer first, and you're going to let dry. And then after you apply that. So I want to pay attention because this product has been viral. It has been the best sellers for years. A lot of celebrities, influencers talk about it, but there is also a misunderstanding sometimes how to use it. It's not a eye product. It's something you're going to apply on top of it. So first you use the eye moisturizer, you make sure it's dry, and then after you're going to apply just a small amount. And If I'm going to wait like for the video that we're passing, you can see it's a lapse time of the video. You can see after a couple of minutes how you see the before and after right now.
Wow.
So you see this woman, also different skin type than Chris and Colin today, and we can see how it works. So you apply a small peach, a tiny peach here, and this is where you're going to do, you're going to warm up with your fingers. And when you're going to warm up your fingers, you're going to tap around your eyes. And you're not going to rub. Why? Because it's the state of the art of this formulation. Right. You put caffeine. Caffeine is very good for inflammation, so you minimize puffiness.
Sure.
But then what we put also peptide. Peptide, very good to increase firmness, elasticity, minimize the size of aging. And then we put film matrix technology. What is it? It's a mix of silicate plant extract made of algae that's request and looks like an invisible second skin film.
Yes.
So that's why you tap, because you're going to apply an invisible second skin film. And when you do that, you're going to feel the tightening and sensation is going to, and the tightening is going to smooth the appearance around the eyes. So you will be less wrinkly, you will look brighter, and it's going to optimize any puffiness and dark circles that you can see. So you can see Colleen. Look, Colleen has been applying the products. She just puts a small amount. If you want, we can go and to see our models.
And I just wanted, while you're walking over there, tell you we have the final, how many do we have left? This is our final quantity. We have the final 1,800. Use the app coupon and you can reduce your price by 20%. All you do is use Save Big with your HSN app, and this costs you $32. This is a $96 deal with the Today Only app, and that expires at midnight. You're only spending $32, and in a couple of minutes, you have no bags. In a couple of minutes, you have no dark circles. This is for men, too.
This is for men and women. It's for everyone who cannot suffer about darker under eye bag and puffiness.
Right.
So we're all different. Each individual is different, but unfortunately, sometimes once in a lifetime, you're suffering about puffiness, dark circles, and under eye bag. So we have Chris. Chris, different skin type, different gender than Colin, and look on the before and after. But I just want to insist, we apply to Chris his eye products. So we moisturize his eye, and it was completely dry. And then you put a small, tiny peach that is going to minimize the dark circles, and you're going to warm up around your fingers, and then you're going to tap, and you're going to tap under the eyes. And this is where you're going to apply this second invisible skin film that's contained the film matrix technology, which is a mix of algae, silicate, and plant extracts that tightens and smooth and minimize the sign of aging. You got caffeine, you got peptide, is going to increase the firmness and elasticity. So you can see already, it's been a couple of minutes, we're talking about it, and you can see with Chris how it looks like. Now if we move to Colin, of course.
I mean, his dark circles are gone. Yeah, the bags
mostly,
are gone.
Yeah, mostly.
It looks like, I mean, it's a visible, drastic difference to me. Are they completely gone? No, but so much so that one eye looks like he basically like either put makeup on it or he got 10 hours of sleep in one eye and the other eye he got no sleep. It's a drastic difference.
Yeah, it's a drastic difference, but again, we are a skincare line, so there is really, everything is really treatments, and for people who is really go deeper with the formulation, there's paraben-free, sulfate-free, curettle-free, synthetic fragrance-free. Everything is clinical, dermatological, and ophthalmologist tested for these products. And if you see Colleen different skin type than Chris, and you can see already the before and after. So she did the same thing. She put her eye moisturizer. She has been waiting, it's completely dry, and then she applied. She put this tiny amount peach, and she tapped around the eyes. And when she did it, this is the kind of results we can see. And it's pretty outstanding. Did you see the cooling and the tightening sensation? Did you experience that, Colleen? It's pretty amazing because you feel something is happening, but now you can see in front of the mirror yourself
you can
the
see
before
it.
and after.
You guys, this is all live happening on TV. So you tap, tap, tap. In a couple of minutes, it starts to work. In 5 minutes, basically, the bags are gone. They look like they're gone in the eye that she tapped it on. You guys, it's so incredibly simple, and the value is insane. So let me tell you this value again. Did you have another thing that you wanted to say? One more thing?
No, I think I'm following your path. I'm following your path.
Come on over here. Okay, my French friend here. I love it, Stephane. So you guys, this is a $96 deal. I don't want you to have to spend $96. This is a weekly deal drop. It's like a mini today's special we are offering you, right? My first today's special was basically a Clark shoe. This is really the second today's special when you can get a $96 deal, better than a buy one, get one. Normally one is $48. So we basically took a $9 off because I can't add that well. And then we give you the second one for free. To get the second one for free is huge. And you guys, you can use it every single day. It's dermatology tested, ophthalmology tested, no scent or fragrances. If you're sensitive, this does not bother your eye. I wear contacts. And at first I was like, is this gonna bother my eye? No, it absolutely does not. You know, to me, we have some great products that have to do with getting rid of dark circles in bags. What I love about this, there's no film. So some of our products are good, but you see this little white stuff.
Yeah, the
right?
white stuff. You don't see a white cast. Look, we apply the products to Colleen. You cannot see any white cast. We got a good close up. You can see also, look, the clinical test. We have different skin type. It's really a lifesaver. So today, it's more than only one free, like Debbie said, is $39. The cost of one product is $48. So you get it for $39, free shipping. You can take the doctor home with you. I want you to experience these products, and please give to your friends and family, because dark circle, puffiness, under eye bag, we all have it one time in a lifetime. So it's a great opportunity to share also these new products. So I'm very excited because it gives you this instant gratification.
Instant.
It's a high promise.
And you know, Americans are impatient. Did you know that?
I think everyone is impatient. You know, also French people are very impatient.
Don't you think coming over here that we're a little bit more impatient?
I think it's nowadays the society is very impatient.
It's society. We have the CEO here. He's from France. So lovely to be able to offer this to you at HSN in America, something that works. Look at this. Participants had a reduction in the appearance of under eye bags and puffiness. Instantly, 97% said after 5 minutes. 100% said after 4 hours, the under eye bags and puffiness gone. Long-term results, 100% after 2 weeks saw the eye bags and puffiness basically look like they were going away, and then 100% after 4 weeks. So you guys, when you can get a product that works instantly, all I say is if you have 5 minutes, you should be ordering right now, because this is the final opportunity. We're in our last quantity. This is not going to last until Sunday. It's supposed to last till Sunday. We only have 1,400 left. We have several hundred people calling. Use the QR code to get to the front of the line. If you're tired of those bags, you know, sometimes it's just hereditary. It's some insult when you actually do get rest and somebody says you look tired. You're like, no. But you know what? You don't have to be embarrassed anymore. I don't care if it runs in your family. I don't care if it's because you ate sushi or you ate something salty or, you
salty,
know,
spicy,
wine,
too much alcohol.
It happens.
It happens.
But this works instantly.
But you have a solution in the next day. And why? Because we want you to feel good, to look your best. This is our mission. We take the doctor home with you and we provide a solution. And tonight, it's exactly what it's about. If you need something, again, puffiness, dark circle, under eye bag, you got the no more baggage. The no more baggage is the solution. I think the name of the products, I love it. It talks on its own. And today, this is what we wanted to do, to share with you an amazing offer with amazing clinical results, and to share with you on live with 2 different genders, skin tone, Chris and Colleen. And you can see this before and after we have been showing you during this small time that we have to spend together.
And you guys, it works for men. So look at our male model here. This is, I shouldn't even call him a male model. This is an everyday dude, y'all, who just said, I need help. I don't mean to make you laugh. Everyday dude, you know, it's not like he's getting paid to take pictures in magazines. He said, let me come in and show you that this works.
That this works, yeah. Chris has been with us and he loves it. And it's products that he's using now constantly. And look at Colleen. Colleen also, it's amazing to see the width and the forward. So everything is clinical, dermatological, ophthalmology tested. We have been working for 25 years. And our company is a private-owned company. So we truly do what we believe and it works. We're not forced to do anything.
Right.
And that's why I'm so excited to share one of our bestsellers, a product that everyone has been chasing. It's our number bestsellers all over the world. We get so many awards winning from the PR and gets endorsed by celebrities and influencers. This is the products that you will use and that will fix the problem about pornomore, under eye bag and puffiness. And tonight, you got the ability to buy one for one. You got 2 for $39, and you can find these products everywhere in Sephora, all-time Macy's for $48. So this is your time and your chance to get it, because I've been there for the past few days. It's my last show, my last dance for this week, and it's with you, Debbie.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Stephane. You guys, we've sold nearly 5,000, 4,933 and counting. Now we're at 38. Now we're at 39. We're selling one every second. This is your last opportunity to get home a $96 deal. Let me give it to you for 32 bucks. This is how you do it. Use the HSN app. We're going to give you 20% off of a single item. I know this is a 2-pack, but this is considered a single item. When you use the HSN app, and this is your last opportunity because that 20% off expires at midnight. Get $96 worth of product home for $32 if you can. We also have it on 5 FlexPay, so you spread out your payments. You guys, it works. I have it on, and what I love is I was still able to put on my makeup. So this is not a product where they say, oh, you can't put makeup on. I put on my foundation, and it was fine.
Yeah, it's very natural. You can use it like this, or you can apply your makeup on top of it. And I just want to reinforce the fact it's not a high product. You use the high moisturizer first, you leave it completely dry, and then you take a tiny amount. And you don't have to put a lot of amounts. That's the beauty of it. It's going to last 3, 4, 5 months.
Right.
And most of the time, people will use EM in the morning, and because you don't need to do that at night. Only if you get out, you can refresh yourself and follow the same skincare regimen you did. And you look fresh, rested, ready to get out, despite having a very long and tired and very tiring day. So this is really a product that works for everyone. And then if you want to apply the makeup on top of it, that's totally fine. It's completely smooth. But first, eye moisturizer, and then you apply the No More Baggage on top of it.
Yes, I did put my eye moisturizer on. You guys, one is $48 if you go to Ulta, Sephora, all these other big box stores, $48 a piece. We reduced the first one from $48 to $39, and then we throw in the second one for nothing. It's an opportunity buy for you to try an award-winning product that's sold all over the world. You have the CEO here who wanted to give you an opportunity for the new year to start fresh. So if you're lack of sleep, eating the wrong foods, maybe it's aging, it's not a problem. No More Baggage is the perfect title because 96%, 97% had a reduction of bags in 5 minutes.
We saw it already with Chris and Colin.
Absolutely.
And we can see that. So no sleep, no problem with No More Baggage. Is really target puffiness, under eye bag, and dark circles. It's a lifesaver. It's your opportunity, and look at it. Colin, after 5 minutes, we saw our clinical results, but I wanted you to experience the products, and you can see Colin right now. It's been more than 5-6 minutes. You can already see why this 97% represent. We see it in live right now as we speak with Colin, and you can see the difference between one eye to another eye.
You guys, it's so wonderful, and a little bit goes a long way. I'd say 2 of these. We haven't had this deal since 2023. Here it is 2 years later, and the CEO gave us the honors, and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. It's just, do you see how it's, and I'll just put just a little bit more.
It's a small piece.
It's just a little small piece.
It's a lightweight cream texture, and you're going to warm up to activate the ingredients.
Just like that on your hand.
And then you're going to pat.
And then you're going to pat around the eyes. You guys, you're gonna pat around the eyes, and because it has like caffeine and
Filmatrix technology and peptide, and you can see the cooling and tightening effect. Maybe you're feeling on your hand, knowing the hand is very thick, but under the eyes, it's extraordinary. You feel a very high sensation. You can feel something is working.
I love that it's working, and I love you. Thank you, Stephane.
Debbie, it was a pleasure.
Thank you, absolutely.
Thank you. It was such an honor to be there.
Oh, thank you so much. Do I say au revoir?
Au revoir, à très bientôt. I mean, see you soon.
Oh, say it again.
À très bientôt.
À très bientôt.
Oh.